So we're Datron. We're a high-speed CNC milling manufacturer. So a bit like Haas over there, except a few key differences. We specialize in high-speed spindles first and foremost. So this is got a 40,000 RPM spindle, where the Haas over there has maybe a 10,000 RPM spindle. So we're about being really efficient with small cutting tools and particular materials. Next thing that's really different about us is our interface. So this is our next control, where it has sort of the same industrial strengths that a Haas control does, but it's much more approachable for a new user. So if you're a new CNC machinist, maybe a designer, engineer, student, something like that, this is really well suited to new users. The learning curve is a lot more reduced as compared to standard CNC control. And then it's just very compact. This can fit through a standard doorway, so it's good for a lab setting or an office setting. And also we use ethanol for coolant instead of flood coolant. So the maintenance is very minimal and all the chips are dry and clean. It evaporates with the heat from the cut. So it's very easy to clean up and maintain. The part we're making here is the lid for the air quality meter. We have a bunch of them pre-made over here.